Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. What a sweetheart we've got here. 1955 Chevy 210 Delray. The colors are awesome. The waffle print on the seats, the hubcaps. It just makes it different enough. They made a lot of 55 Chevys, but this thing stands all alone. And it is clean. We've got the restoration binder here of a lot of the receipts and pictures. These are old pictures before. The thing was super clean before they restored it. It's a rust-free car. It's completely restored, and it's a sweetheart. Really, really nice piece. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures from top to bottom. That's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new videos are posted. Right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Ooh, turntable needs to wake up. Anyway, the car is just slick. I mean, you walk up to it, you know it's quality immediately. But underneath the car, it does look like the body was actually off the frame because all the body bushings are new and the whole chassis looks restored. The whole front end's been completely apart. All the ball joints, bushings, springs, hardware, cotter pins, everything in the front end still looks new and fresh. And back, it's hard to tell if leaf springs are new or not, but it does have all new hardware, U-bolts, and they did put air shocks in the back. The brakes are the stock drum brakes, but new hoses, brake lines. And when I say new, they all look new. I don't know when they were last done. The fuel tank is still a shiny silver tank. The straps look new. The fuel lines look new. You look up at the motor. Bottom of the motor is just clean Chevy orange. It's not greasy. It's not old. Just nice, clean motor. The original starter has a sticker on it from a rebuilder. It was rebuilt. The original Power Glide transmission has the Power Glide tag right on the side of it. And we found the date codes. Motor, trans, and rear are all dated 1955. I think it's a real safe bet. They're original to this car. It's supposed to be a 77,000 mile car. So the rear end also has the right codes. It is a dual exhaust system, a stock dual exhaust with the Chevrolet stainless tips on the back. The floors in the car looks like a factory undercoat car that they cleaned up and just painted over it, so it's a nice semi-gloss black. Looks completely solid to me. So underneath this car is really, really nice. The body is also really, really nice. I just went around it before the video started. I look at it and I feel everywhere. See if I feel a bump or a blister I might not see. There is not a bump or blister anywhere. Underneath there right now, I feel like the factory pinch welds. Just nice, clean metal. It's laser beam straight. There's no waves. I didn't find any issues with the body. Everything fits real nicely. This is the original color. I forget the name of it, but it's called something gold. They don't call it yellow, but it's yellow to me. And the white roof. It was born with this whole color package you see. This is what it was born with. All of this chrome is bright. I can't say it's a 10, but it's probably a 9. It's straight. It's shiny. Has little V8 emblems. Has reverse lights. All of this is excellent. These are bumper guards. Those are optional. The fuel door trim is optional. Gas cap looks new. Inside the door is painted. It has little rubber bumpers. All the stainless trim is all straight and polished and beautiful. It has fender skirts. That's optional. This rocker trim with the stone shields are optional. This mirror is pitted. The chrome, probably just a bad reproduction mirror. You can replace that. It's got the stainless visors. It has the door handle guards. All this stainless is really nice. All the glass is really clear, but right along a few of the edges, you have a little bit of that delamination where it looks like it has some little bubbles in the glass. Bumper guard, grill guard, all of this is beautiful. The bird is beautiful. It fits really nicely. Correct antenna, the base of the wiper arms, all that's shiny, beautiful. I love the hubcaps. It's not the full hubcap, it's the center cap, painted rim with the beauty ring. It's just a nice different look. Silvertown white wall tires. Yeah, I purposely rolled these windows up. They were down before we started. They're crystal clear. They roll so easy and smooth. Door jambs are beautiful. All the hardware, the rubber, the sill plates, they shut so nicely. The trunk compartment is absolutely like brand new. We have pictures of the car stripped down to just like a bare shell. This was all cleaned out. Perfectly clean metal. There's no patches, no rust, no pitting, and all of it was painted the same yellow like the outside. All new wiring, a new correct rubber mat, the rear seat divider, the insulation pads, the weather strip, the jacking instructions decal, all that was replaced. Has a matching tire that's never been used, has the nubs on the tread, the jack assembly, the rim, all that's restored. I really like this one, I do. Looks like it just rolled off the assembly line at 265 V8 with the 2-barrel. Completely stock. The Chevrolet script valve covers, the right air cleaner, the optional oil filter. Yes, oil filters were optional back then. Also has optional electric wipers. But everything is still real clean. Everything looks proper. The generator, GM hoses and clamps, the original radiator, the horns are hooked up, the hinges are detailed, firewall's painted real nice, under the hood's gloss black, the rest of the black is nice satin, and the metal is smooth as can be. Starting on the floor, it has the tight loop carpet, the correct carpet with reproduction mats, all the upholstery and door panels, it's all been redone, and I'd say it's excellent. The headliner and visors are excellent. And everything inside the car, the armrest, the window cranks, the welting around the door jamb, the kick panels. I looked up under the dash. All of this was out in the pictures. All of that was redone. All the metal's painted nice, although there's a couple chips right here. But it's all smooth and glossy. All the chrome and trim. The gauges are not rusty. They're nice and clean. The heater controls, inside the glove box. Everything is just super nice and clean in this car. I'm going to start it up for us. It runs nice. The gentleman that owned it and restored it, it's an old restoration, which says a lot to me. It says it was a clean car to begin with, and they did it right, because this thing looks like it was restored within the last year, and it was done like 25 or 30 years ago. But the gentleman that had it restored, I read the papers, he has a whole bunch of judging sheets. It was in the trailered class. He drove this, trailered this to shows, and he competed. There must be at least 6 judging sheets in there, and it was in the trailered division. So you know he was really proud of making this car outstanding. Nice. What a sweetheart. It's just so tidy and clean everywhere. The rubber gaskets are nice. This window has that delamination I'm talking about. It's barely noticeable. It's just right here, and then it's right along the lower corner of the windshield. It's probably the original glass. Don't think it's going to get worse overnight. The door jambs, the hardware, the button for the interior light, everything. It's just super nice in this car. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of what I think of this car. They can answer any specific concerns or questions you have. They can also make shipping, financing, and the paperwork super easy for you. If you go to volocars.com, plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.